Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy XAUUSD on Webull. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can move confidently from finding the symbol to placing your order. XAUUSD is the symbol for spot gold priced in US dollars, and on the Webull desktop platform, you can access it just like you would a stock or ETF page. Start by opening the Webull desktop platform. Give it a moment to load your watch lists and trading tools. Layouts can vary depending on how you've arranged panels, so don't worry if your screen looks a little different. What matters is locating the search bar near the top of the window. It's typically at the top center or top left and may show a magnifying glass icon. Click inside the search bar and type XAUUSD. As you type, you should see suggestions appear. XAUUSD represents gold versus the US dollar, so you're looking for the result that exactly matches that symbol. This ensures you land on the correct trading page for gold pricing. Select the matching result to open its detail page. Once it loads, you'll see the price chart, quote details, and the trading panel. On the trading panel, choose Buy. Here, you'll enter your quantity and, if needed, your price. If you're placing a market order, you're agreeing to buy at the current available price. So, you'll mainly specify the quantity. If you prefer more control over the price, switch to a limit order and enter the exact price you're willing to pay along with your quantity. Take a moment to review any available settings like time and force, as they control how long a limit order remains active. You can also look at the estimated cost to make sure it aligns with your available buying power before proceeding. When everything looks correct, review the order summary carefully. Confirm the symbol is XAUUSD, the site is Buy, the order type matches your intention, and the quantity and price are accurate. When you're ready, click the confirmation button to send the order. If it's a market order, it will typically fill quickly at the best available price. If it's a limit order, it will remain pending until the market reaches your specified price, at which point it can execute. That's it. You've opened Webull Desktop, searched for XAUUSD, selected the correct result, chosen Buy, entered your order details, and confirmed the purchase. Take a final glance at your positions or order status to see the result, and you're all set.